Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Masons. Masons is the ransomware that is able to considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attacks, users are able to open their files without troubles. Unfortunately, I have to admit that some computers are indeed really vulnerable before the ransomware attack, and because of that, very soon this ransomware may be easily injected into the system. Users might suddenly realize that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware encrypts files and it then damages them considerably. It is called Masons because it encrypts files and appends this additional extension called Masons to the file names. The ransomware also changes this desktop background, as you see. So Masons is extension additionally appended to the file names. The ransomware also drops this ransom note instructing the victims to pay the ransom eventually. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. I recommend that you remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then after it gets installed, click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Then the scanning will begin. And most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the files from further ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you'll be able to know the exact locations of threats. Even though some threats can be always removed manually, I recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution for protecting your files in the future.